I'm Utkarsh Garg. I'm the campaigns coordinator for PETA India, and today we are in Goa, where 3 of our volunteers are dressed as Grim Reapers, who are dragging leather boots, leather shoes, leather bags with them, and they hold a sign that says that leather is dead. By this action, we want to make the people of Goa as well as the entire world in India aware that leather is a dead body. Leather was previously a living, breathing, feeling, inquisitive, soulful animal who was murdered, tortured their entire lives and killed just so we can have a purse on our hands, just so we can use it as a belt, as a jacket, you know. And we want to urge the people of Goa to become more compassionate, to sort of feel compassion towards all of these living beings who are being killed for leather and stop the usage of leather. You know, we want to end the trend of leather. We want to urge people to shift to vegan alternatives of leather. There are a lot of other brands who offer vegan alternatives of leather. There are brands who offer plant-based leather made out of cactus, leather made out of mango peel, etc. We want to urge people to shift to that rather than eating or sort of tormenting animals their entire lives and then killing them just for a bag or a shoe or a jacket. That shouldn't be the case. It might seem as a horrific scene to you, but the life of animals who are lost to leather is more horrific than anything else in the world. They are almost alive when their skin is skinned out of their body. They feel, they're gutted. If you see multiple videos that are there on our pages, you can head over to petaindia.org. You can see multiple investigations that we have done in leather tanneries, in places where leather is sourced from, where calves and cows are killed in hundreds and hundreds of numbers every single day. And we want that to end. Any support from the government? We are urging the people to urge the government. We have been urging the governments for 23 years to ban exotic leather trade, ban leather trade of calves, ban cow leather trade. You will be astonished to know that a lot of leather is made out of calves, who are small animals, you know, and they come from dairy industry. The moment that a cow stops giving milk, they are sent to a butcher place. Either they're exploited for meat, or they are skinned alive, and their skin is made out. Their skin is used for making leather articles, leather products. So we want to urge the government, of course, because government are the policy makers. But we also want to urge the people. Once we, as citizens, stop using leather, the companies would not produce leather. You know, for instance, if I start taking initiative from myself and I start using vegan leather, for instance, or plant-based leather or leather alternatives, the companies would not have demand, and so they would not have anywhere else to supply. So we want to urge the citizens to take that change, to make the compassionate choice, and the government, of course.
So where is the awareness?
What? Sir, this particular awareness will end today, but we have been doing such awarenesses from past 23 years. PETA India has been working in India for 23 years, and we don't just make people aware about the leather the harm of leather on animals. We also make people aware about how a vegan diet helps animals as well as helps us and the environment. A vegan diet is healthy for humans. It reduces multiple health risks. It reduces the torment and the torture that the animals go through on a daily basis. And above everything, it gives us a compassionate eye to look towards the torture, the trauma that the animals go through because of human exploitation on every day.